Right then, I just wanted to just show you something which I think I missed out on the last video, and that was the change of proportion tool. It's sort of a selection tool, but also enables you to move things around and also change the size and proportions of something. So here I am using the selection tool, the random selection tool, to cut out the, or to select my line drawing layer here. This is on a separate layer from the colour. And now I've gone and selected the proportion tool. Here it is, the square tool. It's the square tool that I've selected. It's next to the move tool, which is the cross tool, which then you can move things around. There we go. Gives lots of flexibility. Obviously it's on the different layer than the colour, so my next job now is I'm going to bring it down, and then I'll go and make sure that the colour layer is below the line layer. So the line drawing there is there, and the colour layer has to be below it. So I'm just going to make sure that's where it is. So if I go over there just to make sure, there we go. And now I'll move up to the layer tab at the top there, scroll it down, and it says merge with layer below. So now those two layers are now merged, and if I select it, there we go, I can move it around. As you can see, actually that square one actually enables you to move it around as well as change the proportion, so that's handy. There we go. Okay, the next thing I want to show you is the multi-purpose brush tool. I'm using it at the moment. I'm just using it on the basic brush, but you can use it on any brushes. It's be a really useful tool, I think, when it comes to doing the virus. As you can see, if you click on the tool with the little fan type shape on it, and the dot comes up and gives you different options. So you've got snowflake, which I'm designing here now. This is the snowflake option. There's about 4 different options. I'm actually going to speed these up. And this is the mirror option. There we go. And the symmetry option. And the next one, which I don't think is much use to us, it's called translate, which gives you this option of using all these different, so you can change the number of lines that you create and the size of the lines as well. So you've got all these options. Okay, so let's get back to our design, and now I'm going to try and colour it. So I'll use this option now to click on that tool there. That's a mask tool. Okay, so colour mask tool. It goes grey, so it makes the image grey, and you can choose your colour, and all you need to do then is put these little dabs of colour, and what happens is they will automatically fill later on. I'll just speed this up. So all the little tabs of colour going in there, a different colour, and then go in this next one, choosing all these different colours. On the bottom right hand corner you'll see the colours accumulating there. We'll have a look at that in a second. And the blue one here, right, so I'm going to select the blue one down on the right hand bottom corner there. I'll select that blue one in a second. Here we go. I'm going to select that, click on that, and it gives me an option. I'm going to click it as transparent, so that's my transparent background. It's going to be blue. Then I go over there, and there's the colour mask options up the top there, and I click on the circle, which is on the far right hand side. Click on the circle, and you'll see that the bar then, the progress bar, is moving along there. That's doing all the work for us. So it's doing all the colouring in. So we don't need to do all that work. So it's working now. Got to wait for it a bit. So the more you do, obviously, the longer it takes. So there we go. And then we click on the line, the little line there. It's like a little line thing. In a second. Once it comes down, that's it, it's processed. And we know it's done. And we click on that line and there's our finished design. It's a really good tool for if you do lots of detailed drawing and you've got lots of things to fill in, and it's perfect for that. So that's a really good tool to use. Okay, thank you.